Do you want to know how you can change the image quality settings in Photodirector? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the image quality settings in Photodirector. Go ahead and open Photodirector, which is on your phone. Now click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand corner. You can see image quality settings, tap on it and press while using the app. Now you can see there are 5 options of quality settings: maximum, ultra HD, SD, good and efficient. So these two are paid, so you must have a premium account to get image quality in maximum and ultra HD, or else you can just select SD and then the image quality settings will be set to SD quality. So you will get a long side of 2560 pixels in SD quality, and you can see the quality of pixels by going in this page over here. So this is how you change image quality settings in Photodirector. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.